Yeah, they say them great. Okay, he got that helmet on. He got that helmet on. Hey, man, he got that helmet. Let me see. Okay, got that. Great pants, need a card. I need to go get my card. Right line for the easy win. Right line for the easy win. Okay, okay. Okay. Left lane for the win. Just make sure they moving me up. I don't want to hear these people mouth. Please have me scooted up. Oh, damn, dude. I can't see. Damn, my shit's still back there. Oh, I was about to say, is that running Barnes? Oh, nah, he sitting down. That's good. He probably watching my channel. God damn, y'all, there go running Barnes. That motherfucker, look out. Fucking keeps leaving his freaking car. I told him he can't live stream it. Park his car in the freaking... yeah. Look out, y'all on my YouTube channel, Look Out Racing. Yeah, it's going down. You want to put your shout out in? No shout out you either? Put your Instagram, what about, you already put your Instagram. Okay, SS Davis. SS Davis all together. Okay, he in the building, y'all. We got SS Davis. Small block or big block? Small block, nitrous turbo or supercharger?
It's all in there right now.
Oh, okay, straight motor. Okay. Any rods, pistons, anything? Okay. Okay, we got the GTR coming up. He say he got a little work done. You got a cam in it? Okay, got a 4L80. He shifted pretty good.
14 bolt.
Oh, she got a 14 bolt, y'all.
Build it up.
Okay, he steady building it up, but he on the motor. He on the motor though. Okay. Okay. Where y'all been there? We got this vet over here. Yeah, he say he got that 14 bolt, y'all. Strong ring. You hear Funky Town in the back. Should be an interesting race. Alrighty guys, in the left lane we got the new C8 Corvette. And in the right lane we got a GTR Skyline, about a 2018 model, 6-cylinder, turbo. Here we go. Looks like the guy in the right lane. Here we go. What the fuck? What the fuck kind of shit is this? What the fuck? Something wrong with this motherfucker. Alrighty guys, right lane with the win. Okay, we're gonna see it. Funky Town gonna say that's a setup too. I'm finna see. Watch this. Hey, Funky Town, you think they was trying to? Oh, the transmission.
Transmission broke in that motherfucker.
Oh, okay. I thought they were trying to set some shit up.
No, the transmission broke.
Okay, okay. Oh, okay, okay. Okay, he messed up the transmission, y'all.
No, he broke the transmission.
Yeah, transmission broke, man. Damn, he fucked it up, y'all. We got Dave's Racing Channel in here, y'all. One time for the one time. Let's see what else we got. Ooh, that was a glitch there. I guess it do better on this phone than the other phone. What's up with it? You on my YouTube channel? Lookout Racing? Okay. Go ahead and put your shout out in, man. That's my channel though. Lookout Racing, man.
Lookout Racing.
Yeah.
You gotta go focus.
Yeah, we finna go. I'm finna go get some. Let me see if I can find a card or two in the car. Let me see. Wait a minute. Let me see. Wait a minute. Hey, y'all on my YouTube channel? I ain't none of you either. Yeah, it's Lookout Racing. Y'all check it out. Let me see if I wear my other thing at. Yeah, Lookout. You gonna check it out? You wanna put your shout out in so that way everybody will know you too? Who is it?
That's what I would do right there.
What's yours? Lookout Racing. Okay. Let me type that in. Lookout. Look, I'm right there, y'all. Then I'm gonna hit that. Then I'm gonna, oh, this shit slow. This Metro, gotta be. Subscriber thing. Ah, he ain't got the notifications on. Notification. I'm gonna turn them on. Phone. Settings. Oh shit, Crown Vic. Notifications all. He on there now, y'all. We missed the Crown Vic. Boom, you on there now. We live. Bet. Okay. Look out, y'all. We live. We are live. Okay, well, what this Mustang finna do? He was too quiet. He can't do too much. Okay. He's trying to do something. Limpy spotting all the needles in the haystacks.
You get a feedback on the hot dog you ate last time?
Man, that hot dog was nasty in the motherfucker, man.
It was so bad for you in that motherfucker.
My boy up here say he felt sorry for me over there at Ennis when I ate that hot dog. They gave me that motherfucker raw ass hot dog.